Hello everyone, Bertina Amy here, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are doing Dollar Tree shopping. And now that Valentine's Day is over, let's see what they got. First, I have to grab 2 of these cute little bunny butts ice cube trays, which I will be doing a DIY later. Above it, I couldn't help but notice this new silicone mold I don't recall seeing last year, or maybe I just overlooked it, but it's definitely made of silicone for a bunny's face. You can definitely make a gigantic candy of any kind you want. I also have to grab 2 of these carrot wreath forms, with a planned DIY carrot wreath video coming on March 15th. Next, I have to highlight the spring gardening section with these adorable bee and ladybug decor pieces, mostly bees though, and I did notice that there isn't a bee wreath form of any kind this year. However, these are new to me, at least at my Dollar Tree. I didn't recognize seeing any of them last year. Also, some of you might already know that I created a bee wreath last year, and so I saw these cute little bee lights. I believe they were there last year, but I missed out on getting them, so I'm picking them up this year. I think these garden decor pieces down here are actually really nice and elegant for just $1.25. And for those of you that might be gnome fans, these are such adorable bee-themed gnomes right here. And over in the floral area, I couldn't help but notice these ferns and thought that they would be perfect for a future project. I go ahead and pick up 3 of these. And with St. Patty's Day being just around the corner, only a month away, the St. Patty's Day section is getting more sparse, with not even a single tinsel wall decor piece left. And lastly, I was surprised to find these, what Dollar Tree calls nail wraps here. I believe these are new as I haven't seen them before, but maybe it's just at my Dollar Tree. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.